Welcome to Tuesday's Tips with Kimberbell. My name is Carmen.
And I'm Ginger, and we're from the customer care team.
We are.
So today we're going to talk about HeartFelt Friends.
I love HeartFelt Friends.
I think this is such a cute product. So some of the highlights of this product is you can make them entirely in the hoop, which I think is great.
It is great. Like this, see this cute little guy or gal? This was made in a 4x4 hoop.
And these larger ones are made in a 5x7 hoop. Aren't they so sweet? I just think they are the cutest animals. So some fun ideas to do with these are make them as cute little ornaments, or I think they would be cute as gift tags, like for your little grandkids. They could, you could make a certain animal for each one, and then they would know, oh, all the rabbits are mine, or all the polar bears are mine, kind of a thing.
Yeah, another great idea, you could use this and make a garland like we have all the way up the front. Sorry guys, my arms aren't that long, just hold it up, but you can make it all the way down here in the front. You can make them in, we have all these different fun felt colors. You could do them in any of the felt colors. You could do them all the same felt color, but I think that would just be the perfect charm to your holiday this year. Another idea that would be super fun would be a quiet book. These would be so cute to create your own quiet book for your kids, for your grandkids, to make that personalized gift for your loved ones this holiday season.
I love that. I think this garland even too for not just the holidays, but it would be really cute in like a baby's nursery or something fun.
Ginger Ann, you were just thinking like me, because I was thinking they'd be cute as a mobile.
Oh, see? That would be really fun
hanging
too.
Up above a baby's kid.
Yeah. Well, whatever you call those grandkids of yours.
Grandkids, excuse me. Okay. We have a few tips that we'd like to share with you when you create these fun friends, these heartfelt friends. One of them, your first one would be careful not to cut through the felt while you're trimming your leather. It can be very easy to cut through layers when you're trying to trim around the leather on the felt.
On these cute little hearts.
Just right
looks
there.
like they're all in leather, or like right here they did the cute face and the wings in the leather. So many, like, you can just embellish them in so many fun ways, I think.
You can, yeah. It's all the details. So you just want to be mindful of that as you're trimming.
Okay, the other trimming tip is when you're trimming around your animal, be careful not to cut your ribbon off. So that ribbon is sewn in right in the hoop as well. So you just want to be really careful that if you're using them as like an ornament or a gift tag or something and you want the ribbon on there, to not trim that ribbon when you're trimming your item.
And lastly, another tip that would be helpful as you're making this, when you're doing felt on felt, and this probably isn't the best example, maybe right here, let's do this one. You want to make sure that you tape down this white piece of felt really well when you're stitching on top of the brown felt, or whichever colors you decide to use. Just want to make sure that this piece right here that's going on the very top is taped down securely while you're stitching around it, so we don't have any mishaps or anything crazy like that.
And again, your Kimberbell tape was perfect for that. Just make sure it's really secure.
I love my Kimberbell tape when I embroider.
Me
Not
too.
gonna lie.
Me too. All right, well, we hope you guys enjoy this, and just look at all the fun colors and the fun different combinations that you can use with them. There's some really great photos on the packaging as well for ideas, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.